I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on your Chromebook's Bluetooth and your clicker. This step gets devices visible and ready. Once done, make sure the clicker has fresh batteries and its power indicator is active so pairing won't drop. Next, open your presentation in Google Slides or another Chrome-friendly viewer so you can test controls immediately. While pairing, keep the clicker near the Chromebook and watch indicators. This prevents delays and helps you pinpoint connection issues quickly. You pair by opening Settings and selecting Bluetooth, then choosing the clicker from the device list. This links the two. Once paired, map functions. Press forward and back on the clicker to confirm slides advances and retreats. If a PIN appears, try common defaults like 0000 or 1234. Accept any pairing prompts. Make sure you test with the file visible so you can verify slide advance, black screen, or laser pointer features. If a button doesn't respond, repeat pairing or try another USB receiver if available. You finish by running a full rehearsal. Advance through every slide, use any presenter notes, and activate any pointer or timer. Once done, check presenter view to ensure timers and speaker notes display correctly. This reduces surprises during your talk. If something fails, try the quick fix. Repair the clicker, restart the Chromebook, and swap batteries in that order. If problems persist, test the clicker on another device to isolate hardware versus Chromebook settings. This helps you decide whether to replace or reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.